You do not need a calculator for this question. So whenever you deal with powers, you want the bases to be the same. 8, 32, and 2 are not the same numbers, so how do we get them to be the same? Well, 8 could actually be rewritten as 2 to the third power. So we're going to keep a base of 2 because 32 could be rewritten as 2 to the fifth power. So if we plug in those values into the expression, that's going to be 2 to the third power raised to the sixth power times 2 to the fifth power raised to the third power divided by 2 to the 10th power. Whenever you raise a power to an exponent, you keep the base and you multiply the exponents. 3 times 6 is 18. And then that's going to be 2 to the 15th power divided by 2 to the 10th power. And whenever you multiply powers with the same basis, you keep the base again. And then you add up the exponents. 18 plus 15 is 33. So it's going to be 2 to the 33rd power divided by 2 to the 10th power. And whenever you divide powers with the same basis, you again keep the base. And this time you subtract the exponents. 33 minus 10 is going to be 23. So B is your answer.